Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with the data ready. Select the exact column that will become QR content. Once done, enable the Developer tab or confirm your Excel version supports add-ins. This matters because the method uses one add-in or Power Query. Next, install a single trusted QR code generator add-in from the Office Store, or prepare Power Query if you prefer formula-driven encoding. Make sure cells are plain text. Remove stray spaces and standardize URLs with HTTP, / or H. You now run the add-in. Select your data range and map it to the add-in's input field. Then choose size and error correction. Higher correction gives resilience but larger codes, so pick M or Q for typical use. Once you press Generate, the add-in will create images or SVGs, insert them into adjacent cells, or export them as files. If using Power Query, transform text to a web API call that returns an image URL. Then load those images back into the sheet using the built-in Insert from Web method. You finish by adjusting cell dimensions so each QR stays square and large enough to scan, typically at least 1 inch on print or 200px on screen. Once satisfied, test several codes with different phones, make sure they resolve correctly. Then batch export images or save the sheet as PDF for distribution. If codes fail to scan, increase image size or set error correction to H and regenerate. This fixes most issues. Finally, keep a backup copy of the raw data so you can regenerate if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.